Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Bentayga. The Bentley Bentayga is a robust SUV with plenty of power. Rich leather and incredible attention to detail make for a fabulous interior. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.